Do you want to learn how to download and install Arc web browser on your PC or laptop? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first of all, you need to open up your web browser. It could be a Chrome web browser on your computer, or if you don't have Chrome, you just installed Windows on your laptop or PC, you can find Edge browser, Microsoft Edge, open it up, then search for arc.net over here. It's going to take you over to this page. You can download it for Windows or download it for Mac by clicking on either of these buttons. And I'm going to click on the first one, which is going to download it to my computer, this .exe file. Let's open it up. And it's going to open up this Arc setup and it's going to start downloading it. That was a nice intro. Now let's click on this enter type button. Inside it, it will open up this page. It says create an account. So you need to create an account here. You need to enter in the name, email, password, and then you also need to confirm your password. So let's type it here. Now, once you have entered all the fields inside create an account page, click on create an account button below. You also have to click on this, which is going to say I have read the terms and service. Now, once done, it's going to take you over to this page, which says get us up to speed. So if you already have another web browser installed on your computer and you were using it from quite some time, you will have some bookmarks, passwords, important tabs in it. And if you want to import them over to Arc, you can do so by clicking on them. So if I want to import all my existing settings from Brave, I can do that. Or if I've got Edge browser, I can do that as well. So just like that you can do. And if you do not want to import anything from any of these browsers, you can just scroll down. There will be this button which says, no, I want to type in all my passwords again. Click on it and then click on next. Now it's going to ask you to enable the Arc Max, which is their AI, which is inside the Arc. If you want to do it, you can do it. I'm going to just click on not now. Then there's going to be another page, which is going to say you can enable the Arc as your default web browser. If you want to do that, just click on this yes, leave it as it is. Or if you're still exploring some other options, let's say you're exploring some other options like Brave or Firefox, maybe you still want to go back to Chrome, you can just click on this one. It's not going to make that Arc web browser as your default one. So what happens is if you make it your default web browser, whenever you open a link that takes you over to a web page, is going to open up Arc instead of, let's say, Google Chrome. It's not going to open Google Chrome, it's going to open Arc web browser that way. Let's click on next. Now here it says welcome to Arc, and this is your Arc card over here on the right hand side. And you can share it with someone by clicking on the first button. The second button downloads this to your computer in a .png format. And there's also this on the third one which has this refresh type icon. So I can click it and it changes my card to different styles. And whichever you like, you can just download it. It's not really that important. You can just play around with it and download the one that you like. Once done, click on get started on the left hand side, which is going to open up this, and your Arc web browser is now installed on your computer. Now you can play around with this. You can open up things, check all these settings inside. And if you're not sure something inside this web browser, when you play around with it and you want to learn it, I've got a playlist on the right, which is going to pop up at the end of this video. You can check out all my guides on Arc web browser there. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm going to help you solve that problem as well. So yeah, that's it. This is how to download and install the Arc web browser on your PC or laptop. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with the like and comment.